In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Supabase project to another account, organization. Before we touch any buttons, make sure you have the right access. You must be the owner of the organization that currently holds the project. In the destination organization, the one you want to move the project into, you need to be a member. If you are not in that organization yet, ask an admin there to add you first. Otherwise, the transfer option won't appear. Next, confirm a few preconditions from the Supabase docs so the transfer can proceed smoothly. The project must not have an active GitHub integration. Check your project's settings for integrations and ensure there's no GitHub connections still linked. The project also cannot have project-scoped roles assigned, which applies to team and enterprise plans. If those roles exist, clear them so nothing is tied directly to the project. There should be no log drains configured. Log drains forward logs to external systems, and having one in place will block the transfer. Finally, the target organization should not be managed through the Vercel marketplace at this time. If the destination organization is marketplace managed, choose a different organization that is not. These prerequisites are there to prevent conflicts during the handover. Integrations, custom roles, and log drains can hold references to the original organization, so clearing them avoids failed transfers or partial access after the move. Taking a moment to confirm them now saves time later. With those checks done, do the transfer from the Supabase dashboard. Open the project you want to move, go to its general settings, and look for the transfer project action. Select the target organization from the list. Review the confirmation details carefully, then confirm the transfer. Supabase notes there may be a brief downtime, typically 1 to 2 minutes depending on your plan. Plan for a short maintenance window and let teammates know so they aren't surprised by a temporary disconnect. After confirmation, the dashboard will handle the move and reassign the project under the new organization. When it completes, open the project in its new home and make sure everything looks as expected, especially environment variables, database access, and API usage. If your team uses automated workflows or external tooling, they should reconnect automatically once the project is available again. That's all you need to do. By verifying your role, checking those prerequisites, and using the transfer project feature in general settings, you can safely move a Supabase project between accounts or organizations with minimal downtime.